So it was uploaded in channel. You all know if test appear in channel, how to appear. Okay. And these all information will be provided by the school in one notice. Okay. Notice will be provided to you that where you will get the paper, whether you are going to get the paper in channel, whether you are going to get the paper in CSO, that is online examination. Okay. That will be told earlier to you. Okay. So for example, during on 26th your exam starts, and on Monday I think first paper is at 9:30. Okay, for example, it's at 9:30. Okay, so check it once, 10 to 15 minutes earlier, if the link is available or not, or the paper is available or not to you. Okay, so just check it once in CISoft. So it will be told earlier to you where the paper is going to appear, whether CISoft or in channel. You are aware of both. Okay, so you have to check once whether the paper is available or not. If not, consult the subject teacher at once. Okay, text the subject teacher on WhatsApp. Okay, if it is available, well, it's fine, you can appear at 9:30. Okay, if you click early than 9:30, it will appear that form is not accepting the response. Okay, so at 9:30 you can click the form and it will open. You can fill all the details and submit. Okay, for example, there is no place to write your name. Okay, don't worry about that. Since you are logging through your ID, so your name automatically appears there. It automatically appears to us. Okay, that who has submitted. Your ID will appear there. Your name is as well will appear there. Okay, so fill all the details and submit your paper at last. Okay, so you want to practice one more paper or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, today or Monday?
Sir, today.
Today. Okay. So I'll make one paper, a small paper I'll make, and I'll do one thing. At 3 it will take some time for me as well. So at 3 you will get the paper. Okay. And you can 1 minute mute up. Okay. You get the paper at 3, around 3. So what you have to do today. So today I'm going to upload on channel. I'm to upload on CISoft. In CISoft as well, I'll upload online examination. And on WhatsApp as well, I'll write all the details. Okay. So you have to once check whether it's available on channel or not. You must be aware that how to get it in channel, or whether it's in CISoft or not, as well in WhatsApp is in there. Okay. So you can appear in that paper at any time. Okay. But appear before 6 p.m. Okay. At 3 p.m. I'll send you. After 1 p.m. I'll take the lunch and then I'll make the paper. Okay. And at till 6 it will be off.
Time?
Yes.
The ending time. Sir, when it will be end?
Ending at 6 p.m. Okay. Before any time you can enter. Okay. I'll leave up to you. You can appear in the examination at any time. Okay. So this is just to make you aware about the examination process. Okay. So that you are well equipped with how to appear in examination. That's all. Okay. So aim of this paper should be only this much. Okay. Whether you are able to appear in it or not. Okay. Okay. So we can start now our exercise 4. Okay. Cube roots we are discussing. So fifth question is clear to all. Fifth question is all out. Okay. Sixth question. Everyone read sixth question. Today we are going to complete this one. Okay. Read sixth one. Find the least number by which each of the following should be divided to make it a perfect cube. Also find the cube root of each perfect cube. Okay. So first you have to make it a perfect cube, where first you have to find the least number. Okay, 5184. 5184. Okay. So first what you have to do, prime factorization or factorization as well. Prime factorization 5184. Do the factorization, everyone. Everyone do the factorization and tell me how many 2's and others you are getting. How many 2's, how many 3's are you getting? Just let me know. Everyone factorize it. Okay. You must, while taking the mathematics class, you always must have a notebook and keep solving that. Okay. It can be fair or rough. Better if you keep it fair notebook. Whether you make mistake, it's fine. Just cross it and move on. Don't use whiteners. Okay. Never use whiteners. Remember that. Okay. 5184. Okay, factorize it. and tell me how many 2s and how many 3s you have got. Okay, 2, 2 2 is 4, 11, 5, 9, 2. You get this one. 2 2 is 4, 11, 5, 18, 9. Okay, 2, 1, 2,
296.
and 9, 6, 1, 2, 9, 6.
648.
6, 4, then 16, 8. Again 2, 3, 2, 4. Again 2, 1, 6, 2. Again 2, 81. Now 3, 3. 27, 3, 9, 3, 3, 3, 3, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 2s. Okay. And how many 3s? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm writing here. Okay. Form the triplets. Form the triplets. First triplet of 2, same number we have to form. Okay. So who is left alone?
3.
3 is left alone or not? Okay. So find the least number by which each of the following numbers should be divided. By what number should we divide?
3.
By 3 it must be divided.
So,
Okay. Divided by
yes.
3. And the resultant number will be a perfect cube. Okay. What will be the cube root of this one? 5184 divided by 3. 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 3. This already gone as you are divided by 3. So how much is it?
12.
12. You all have completed? All have completed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do the next one. 5488. Do the next one. I'll start after 2 minutes. Today we have a lot of time. We have to complete this exercise only. Okay. What next? Complete the next one. Complete the next one. Okay. We have 5488. Solve it. 5488. Factorize it. Two is your 4, 7.
2744.
Okay, 2, 1, 3, 7, 2, 2, 6,
686.
8, 6, 8, 6. 2, 3,
343.
343,
3.
3,
Sir,
okay,
7.
3, 1, 3,
Sir, 7.
7, 343 is 7, 49. Okay, 7, 7, 7, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Okay, so form the triplets. Who is remaining single?
2.
2. So by what number we must divide?
2.
Divided by 2. So 5, 4, 8, 8 divided by 2. Its cube root, it will be how much? 2 into 7, 14. Okay. Try next one now. Everyone try next one. 2, 3, 3, 2, 8. Everyone try next one. 2, 3, 3, 2, 8. 2, 3, 3, 2, 8. 2, 3, 3, 2, 8. Again 2. 2 1s are 2. Then 3 2 1s are 2.
11664.
11664. Do this one. 5 8 3 2. Okay, again 2 9 1 6 2 1 4 5 8 2 7 2 9 7 to 9. Do you remember? 3 3 3 2 just 6 12
243.
243. Again with 3 8 1 3 27 3 9 3 3 3 3 1. How many twos? 1 2 3 4 5 twos. You all have got the same. 5 twos.
Yes, sir. Yes.
5 threes. Okay, into 5 threes. Make the triplets and find who all are remaining, single or double.
Sir, there are 6 3.
One more 3. 6. Okay. So one triplet, other triplet. So they remained in pair and we require them in triplet. So by what number it must be divided? Divided by 4. And what's the cube root? 2 into 3 into 3. How much it is? 18.
18.
9, 3 is 9, 2 is 18. Okay. Everyone have understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now 7th question.
Yes.
Everyone have completed this question? Everyone? Okay. Read the next one.
Yes, sir.
Read the next one. The unit digit in a cube of 1137. Unit digit in the cube of 1137 is 1137. Okay. What will be, okay? For example, we are getting the cube after making its cube equal to this one. Okay. What we have to find? This digit, unit digit, unit, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So which we have to find? Unit digit. How to find the unit digit? It's 7. So we are not concerned with this. Only 7. 7 square is how much? 49. Okay, we have to do this one. 7 7 is 49. 49 into 7. Again, we are not concerned with this one. 7 9 is how much? 63. What will be the unit digit? What will be the unit digit? 3. We don't have to multiply it 3 times. What we require? Unit digit only. 7 square 49. So only 9 we require. 9 7 ja 63. 6 we don't need 3. So answer is 3. Understood this one? Okay. The ones digit in the cube of 1004 is 1004. Its cube we do. So what will be there at units place? Find it out. Multiply 4 into 4 into 4. Okay. 4 4 is 16. 16 into 4. Again, we don't require this one. Only 6 into 4, 24. We require
4.
4 is the answer or not? 4.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Do the
Yes,
next
sir.
one. The cube of an odd number is always an. Cube of an odd number is always an odd number.
Number.
Odd
It's always
Odd
an
number.
odd number. Okay.
number.
Cube of an even number is always an
Even
Even number.
even number. Okay. The least natural number by which 1600 is to be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. Okay, 1600. What is the least number we must multiply to 1600 to make it perfect cube? Find it out, factorize it, and find it out which is not existing in pair, which is not existing in triplet, which is not in triplet. 1600. Find it out. 1600. So 2 800, 2400, 2200, 2100, 250, 225, 551. Okay. So 1600 equal to how many twos? 3, 6.
6.
3, 6 into 5 into 5. Okay. So by what number it must be multiplied to make it a perfect cube?
5.
We require one more, 5. So the least number that must be multiplied is 5. The least natural number, that is 5. Okay. Least natural number by which 1024 is to be divided to make it a perfect cube. Find the number by which it must be divided. Everyone find. Everyone find it out. 1024. 1024. 2, 512, 2, 256, 2, 128, 2, 64, 2, 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 1. So, by what number it must be divided to make it a perfect cube? Least
by
number by 2. You can see triplet, 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 single. So by 2 it must be divided to make it a perfect cube. Least natural number. Okay. Okay, it's one, it's true and false only. Okay. The cube root of an odd number is odd. True or false? Cube of an odd number is odd. It's true. Cube. Okay, second one. The cube of an even number is even. Okay.
True.
And we have to identify only the first step, which is set map. Second one is also true. Third one, cube of a negative number is positive. Is it true or false?
So
False.
It's false. Cube of a negative number is always negative. Okay.
Negative.
Cube roots of 27 are 3 and minus 3. Cube
False.
root of 27 are 3 and minus 3. Okay, what is the cube root of 27 then? Find it out and tell me.
3.
Only 3 and minus 3 is not there. Okay, only 3. Okay, 3 is the cube root of 27, not minus 3. Okay, 3, 3, 3 is a perfect cube. 3, 3, 3. Is it a perfect cube? How to find? Factorize it. 3, 1, 1, 1. Okay, again 3, factorize it. 3 3s are 9, 27, 21, 3 7s are 21. Yes? 21, okay, 37. Okay, is it triplets are formed? No?
No, sir. No, sir.
3, 3, 37. So it's not a perfect cube, okay?
False.
Cube root of 20, okay, that one is important, okay? (27 plus 8) equal to cube root of 27 plus cube root of 8. Can we write it like this? Is it
No,
true or
sir.
false? It's not true because 27 plus 8 has to be added first, then only cube we can take, okay? Then only cube we can take. Okay, if I write like this, cube root of 27 into 8. Can we write it like this?
Yes.
Yes, we can write. It's multiplication. Or we can also write it like this. 27 upon 8. Cube root of 27 divided by cube root of 8. These are correct in multiplication division. In addition, first they have to be added, or subtraction, first they have to be separated. Then only we can take the cube root. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
There is no cube root
Yes.
of a negative number.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
False.
It's false. Okay, if I minus 8, what is the cube root of minus 8?
2.
It's false. There is no cube root of a negative number. There is a cube root of negative number. Minus you can take outside. Cube root of 8. Okay, minus here. Minus 2. Okay. With this, we complete the chapter. Now we can start. Open page number N75. Everyone can open a page number N75. Revision exercise as well we can do. We can revise everything now. Okay, find the value of each of the following. Page number N75, revision exercise 2. 47 square. Everyone find it out fast. 47 square equal to 47 into 47. Calculate it. And do let me also know.
2,209.
47 square. Okay. 47 square equal to 47 into 47. 2,209 are you getting? Okay. Second one, do the second one. 4 3 by 5. So 5 4 is 20, 23 upon 5 whole square. 23 upon 5 into 23 upon 5. How much are you getting? Find it out and calculate.
529 by 25.
529 by 25. Okay, convert it into mixed fraction.
Twenty-one 4 by 25.
21 4 by 25. Okay. Have you all got the same? Okay, next one 0.7 square, 0.37 square, I think. 0.37 the whole square, 0.37. Okay. How much you are going to get? It is 37 upon 100 whole square. 37 square.
1369.
1369 divided by how many zeros? 4 zeros. Okay, 4 decimal places. 1369. You can see here 2 decimal places. Squaring means 4 decimal place. Cubing means 6 decimal place. Okay. 2 decimal places. Here we'll have 4 decimal places. Okay. Do the next one. Minus 96 square. Okay. Square of a negative number is always
Positive.
positive. Minus 96 square equal to 96 square equal to 96 into 96. Calculate it. Everyone calculate it.
9216.
9216 you'll get. Okay. Do the next one. 13 cube.
Yes.
13 169 into 13. Okay. 13 cube. 13 into 13 into 13. How much? 2.
2197.
2197 you will get. Okay. Next one. 13 cube is 2197. Okay. Next one. 1 by 8. So it will be 9 by 8. 1 by 8. Cube or square? Okay, cube. Calculate it. 9 by 8 cube. 9 into 9 into 9. Here by 8 into 8 into 8. What is 9 into 9 into 9? 700. How we have done it there?
720.
729.
8 cube,
500. 500.
500,
500.
12. Okay. Convert it into mixed fraction. Only one jar it will go. 1. What will come here?
So 217.
217.
70. Okay. Do the next one. 0.12 cube. 0.12 cube. 0.12 cube. It is how much? 12 upon 100 cube. It is how much? 12 into 12 into 12. Here we 100 into 100 into 100. So denominator will have 6 zeros. Okay. Find the numerator.
1728.
1728. Okay.
1700.
Now see how many zeros. 1728. 4 are already there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more. You can see 2 decimal places. Cube 6 decimal places. Cube 6 decimal places. Okay. Minus 2.1 cube. So minus you can take outside. Minus 2.1 cube. Minus 2.1 cube. Take minus outside. 2.1 cube. Minus 2.1 into 2. Okay. 21 upon 10 we can write. 21 into 21. 10 into 10 into 10. Okay. Calculate this one.
9261.
9261 upon 1000. 9.261. You can see one decimal place. Here how many? 3 decimal places. Here we are going to get 3 decimal places. Okay, and what about the minus sign? Minus. Good. Minus sign. Okay. Okay, find the square root of the following. Two, 1, 3, 1, 6. Okay, so here, if we are using prime factorization, so it may be possible that we may get the square root. If you are using long division method, we'll get the square root. So it has to be perfect square first. Then only we can apply prime factorization. Yes or no? 2, 1, 3, 1, 6. It's perfect square, by the way. So you can apply prime factorization. If you don't get it by prime factorization, then you have to apply long division method. In this, all 3 are perfect square. So you can apply prime factorization method. Okay, apply and calculate. Find the square root of the following. Apply and calculate. Apply and calculate. 21316. Factorize it, everyone. 213. 21316. Factorize it. 21316. Everyone factorize it. So how much you are getting with 2? 2 1 are 2. 0
10658.
6 5 8. Again 2 5 3 2 9. Okay. Now is it going with 3? 5 8 9 11 20. No. So which number?
Sir, 3 is not.
Okay, so which number? Please note 7, 49,
No, sir.
4, 42. No. 8, 9, 10. Those who, if 2 is not there, then check with 11. 11. No. 13. 13, 39. 51, 12, 0, 129. Again, no. 13, 17. This is going with 17, 5, 3, 2, 9. So, if it is difficult to find, which method we should use? Should we use?
Long division method.
Long division method.
Right.
Because here you will get which number? 73. You are going to get 73. You are going to get 73. 5329, you are going to get 73. Okay. So it's better to use long division method. Okay, let's go with long division method then. 2, 1, 3, 1, 6. Long division method has all the answers. Okay. Prime factorization may or may not have. Okay. So now how to form the first way to form the pairs? We start from here. Okay, different color I use. We start from this side. This is the decimal place. We start this side and we start this side. Okay. Okay. So first number, tell me, whose square is just less than or equal to 2? 1, 2, it becomes 4. So 1, 1. What next we have to do? Okay, what will be the next step?
Plus
2. Okay, and we have to put next 3. Okay, 2 minus 1, 1. 1, 3 will put. Okay, now what you have to do here? What you have to add? Plus 1. So we are getting 2. Okay, now we need to find the digit here. Okay, by what it should be multiplied? Check. So how to check? See here, forget about first decimal, forget about that. 2 5s are 10. So it may be around 5. It can be 4, it can be 6, it may be around the 5. Okay, so check it with 5. 25 into 5. 125. It is more. So you have to check with 4. Check with 4. 4 4 is 16. 1 4 2 is 8. 96. So what should come there?
4.
4. Here as well 4. Okay. 96. Subtract and tell me how much you are getting. 13 minus 6. 7. 10 minus 9. 1. 1 6 comes. Okay, what I have to add here?
4. Sir, 4.
4. Okay. Now 2 8. Again 1 digit here. Okay. Now how to check? Forget about two places. Forget about these two. 2 8 just 16. Here is 8 6. So again something less around that. Okay, which number we must try?
Sir, 6.
6. Okay, let's go with 6. 6 6 are
36.
36. Okay, 6 8 ja 6 8. Okay, we'll see. Okay, 6 8 ja
48.
48 plus 3
51.
5. 6 2 ja
17.
12 17. Okay, it's going. 146 is what? 1716. We found earlier 6. Okay. If not, check with 8, you'll get higher number. Okay. Remainder 0. So what is the square root?
146.
146. So
146.
what happened here? You weren't able to do.
Sir, not working.
Yes. And this is working. Yes or no? This is
Yes.
we like. Okay. Okay, do the next one. Okay, time is over. Okay. Okay, we'll do it tomorrow. Okay. Next one as well, we'll do it tomorrow. Okay. So tomorrow on Monday. Okay. Monday onwards we'll complete the revision exercise.
Okay, sir.
Have you understood this one? So we are revising the whole chapter again. Okay. Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.